solve tan square 3x minus 45 equal to 1, where x lie in the interval 0 to 180 degrees. Here they told you to solve. So you should find the values for x satisfying this equation, and also it should lie in the interval 0 to 180 degrees. First, the given equation is tan square 3x minus 45 equal to 1. Here you have tan. So now you make tan the subject. For that, you should shift square to the other side. When square gets shifted to the other side, it will become square root. Now you get on this side tan. Here you get square root. Not only that, you should consider both positive and negative as well. So this is plus or minus square root of 1 is 1. So now we got tan 3x minus 45 equal to plus 1 tan 3x minus 45 equal to minus 1. Now to get the values for this, here we have tan and here it is positive. Now you should check in what all quadrants is tan positive. It is all silver tea cups. Tan is positive in the first and in the third. So 3x minus 45 equal to get an angle in the first quadrant, we should do directly tan inverse 1. To get an angle in the third quadrant, we should do 180 plus tan inverse 1. Now here, to get the values for this, here it is tan and here it is negative. Tan is negative in the second and in the fourth. So 3x minus 45 equal to get an angle in the second quadrant, we should do 180 minus tan inverse 1. To get an angle in the fourth quadrant, we should do 360 minus tan inverse 1. Now, remember this, the negative sign is used only for selecting the quadrants. Once quadrants have been selected, you should not place negative sign again here. Remember that. Now, 3x minus 45 equal to, place this in the calculator, you get 45. Put this in the calculator, you get 225. Now here, 3x minus 45 equal to, put this in the calculator, you get 135. Calculate this, you get 315. Now, the question arises, in what interval should the values for 3x minus 45 lie? Question 2. How many more values shall I write for this? To answer that, we do this. Here x lie in this interval. We should get 3x minus 45. First, to get 3x, you multiply by 3. So you get 0 less than or equal to 3x less than or equal to 540. Now to get minus 45 as well, you subtract 45. So we get minus 45 less than or equal to 3x minus 45 less than or equal to 495 we get. Now, the values of this should lie in this interval. When this happens, then automatically the values for x will lie in this interval. Am I clear? Now we should write all the values for 3x minus 45 in this interval. Now, does 45 present in this interval? Yes, so accepted. Does 2 to 5 present in this interval? Yes, accepted. Now to get another value, add 360 to this. So we get 405. To get it, does 405 present in this interval? Yes. So accepted. Now to get another value, add 360 to this. When I add 360, I get a value which do not lie in this interval. So I reject this. Now here, does 135 lie in this interval? Yes, accepted. Does 315 lie in the interval? Yes, accepted. Now to get another value, add 360 to this. You get 495. Does this lie in this interval? Yes, because for 495 equal to sign is present. That means you can include 495. Okay, now to get another angle, add 360 to this. Now this value do not lie in the interval, so you reject it. So the values we got for 3x minus 45 are 45, 225, 405, 135, 315, 495. Now to get the values for x, first I should remove this minus 45. To remove minus 45, I should add 45 to each number. So here this cancel out, I get 3x equal to 45 plus 45 is 90. 2 to 5 plus 45 is 270. 405 plus 45 is 450. Here I get 180. Here I get 360. Here it is 540. Now to get x, we should remove this 3. To remove the 3, you divide by 3. So here this cancel out, here we get x, here 90 by 3 is 30, here 90 I get, here 150, here 60, here 120 and here 180. So these are the values for x. This is our answer. Am I clear?